Today I received a box in the mail from Paul Rubens. They have sent me a box of pastels to demo on my channel. I'm Pat from Scrivener Art and Design on Vancouver Island, Canada. I love sharing my knowledge and my techniques with you. You can help me grow my channel by liking and commenting and sharing my videos with a friend. So let's get on to that package. I'm dying to see what's inside. Let's take a look inside. So I've already slit the box open. And here we have, wow, a 72 color oil pastel set that Paul Rubens sent to me to review. And so let's take a look. So it has a nice blend of colors from white to black, so the tonal values, and lots of colors in between, lots of blues and greens, oranges, some pastels. So I'm going to open it up. Take the cellophane off here. Sorry, the scissors aren't the most appropriate thing. Okay, there we go. Okay, here comes the yummy part. It's kind of like opening a box of chocolates at Christmas, huh? So, there's a nice chart here where you can actually put the colors. So here are all the colors. That is eye candy for sure. And I love how they're all arranged in order of color combinations. So I'm going to test them on some paper and see what they're like. Well, with all these colors, it's actually hard to know what to pick, but I'm just going to kind of pick whatever pops out to me first, and it's actually this lime green one. So I love the fact that these have the bullet end on them like a pencil, opposed to just being flat like so many pastels are. And I've got a piece of Arches oil paper here that I'm going to put it on, so they seem really nice and creamy. Color seems pretty dense. So I'm going to try blending that. I'll try this teal. Yeah, so they feel really nice and creamy. I think they'll work nice in mixed media work as well. So if you are going to use oil pastels with acrylics, then they're going to act as a resist. But you can use them, or you could use them on a top layer as well. So the yellow's a little bit more transparent, as yellows are, and I'm getting some blending happening here. So these come in sets, smaller sets as well. You can buy 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, or 72. So many sizes, and the prices are really good. I'll leave the links to the supplier's website, and you can check them out for yourself. But I think they are good value for the money, that they're nice and creamy, and the colors seem super rich. And I'm going to do some other work with them on some of my actual paintings, and see how they work. So this isn't exactly a painting right now. And I don't typically work solely with oil pastels, but I certainly use them in my mixed media work to add some other emphasis to things. So that gives you a sense of how they work and how they blend together. So great if you're going to go outside and just want to pack a few colors along with you in a sketch box and take them to do a little bit of plein air work. Don't need to take a lot of stuff, and you can get some nice rich colors happening out in the field. So I think I'll try that too. You know, something about the feel like a crayon idea. It takes you back to your childhood, you know, as we like to color, and the feel of that crayon. So this kind of gives me that sense. Much richer than a wax crayon would be. Okay, I'm going to put some dark in here, I think. So at this point now, I'm just messing around wanting to test all of these colors. So get some dark. I'm going to add some line. So this is like a dark, rich blue color. So line is a great way to pull things together as well. And I'm going to put a little bit more color over on this side here. I'm a bit like a kid in a candy shop. I want to try all of these colors out. And you know, I'm a colorist, so I definitely like my color. So I'm picking up some of the dark. It's making that a little bit neutralized, a little bit muddy. So this started to remind me of kind of a package with a bow on, and it's kind of appropriate because today's my birthday, and maybe that's why it made me think of a package. So I think I'll just fill in this little corner down here, and I think I'll put a little bit more lime green. So by no means is this any kind of great masterpiece, but just a demonstration to show you the quality of these pastels. And you can check them out if you're interested in adding them to your collection. And this would be a great gift for kids as well. It's fun for kids to be able to color with pastels. So I hope that you will check it out, and if you do, let me know how you like them, and if you want any more demonstrations with pastels or mixed media demonstrations with the pastels, I'd love to know. So I'm going to leave it at that. So there it is with a mat around it, and of course, it's just a quick demo, but it looks kind of cute. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my little demo and my impromptu little painting from the pastels. And thanks to Paul Rubens for sending me this kit. And you can find the links to them below in my description. So until next time, happy creating. Bye.